Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert lines in MS Word document. So if you want to insert lines, so there is very quick method. Just select area or click where you want to insert line, like in here. Now press 3 times dash, then press enter. That's it. So very quick method, just you need to press dash 3 times and make enter. So like this you can insert lines in Microsoft document. And friends, if you want to remove this line, so very quick method. If you want to remove one line, so select cursor where you want to remove, like here. Now click on this border option, border and shading. Now select none, then click on OK. If you want to remove all lines at once, so select all, again click here, border and shading, borders and shading, then in here borders select none, then OK. And that's it. So like this you can insert and remove lines in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.